Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The US Treasury Department said it expects currency market interventions, like Japan's in September, should be reserved for exceptional circumstances, as it kept Tokyo on a list of partners whose practices it is monitoring. Apple supplier Foxconn, which is the world's largest contract electronics maker, reported a rise of 5% in third-quarter net profit, missing market estimates. Surging Chinese energy demand amid COVID lockdowns on the US West Coast prompted Alaskan oil exporters to ship more crude than any time in 2 decades, and nearly all of it went to the East Asian country. This year, shipments almost dried up, thanks to Russian oil. The Aussie dollar pair skyrocketed 2.9% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. Microsoft's stock skyrocketed 3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair dove 3.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's current account will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.